Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice water. First, take about 1/2 cup of uncooked rice and rinse it well under cold water to remove any dirt or impurities. Next, place the clean rice into a bowl and add 2 to 3 cups of fresh water. Give it a gentle stir, then let the rice soak for approximately 30 minutes to 1 hour. This allows the beneficial nutrients to infuse into the water. Finally, strain the liquid into a clean jar or bottle, and your basic rice water is ready. For a more potent version, you can ferment your rice water. After straining the initial soak, simply leave the liquid at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours. You'll notice a slightly sour smell, indicating fermentation has occurred. This process enhances its beneficial properties. Once fermented, transfer it to an airtight container. Remember, fermented rice water is more concentrated, so dilute it with 1 to 2 parts plain water before applying it to your hair or skin to avoid irritation. Another effective method is making boiled rice water. For this, combine 1 part rice with 4 parts water in a saucepan. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 minutes, or until the water becomes cloudy and starchy. Once cooked, carefully strain the rice, collecting the nutrient-rich water in a clean bowl. Make sure to let this boiled rice water cool down completely before transferring it to a storage container for later use. Proper storage ensures your rice water stays fresh. Keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will last for up to 7 days. When using it for hair, apply it to clean, damp hair after shampooing, letting it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. For skin, you can use it as a gentle toner. Always remember to perform a small patch test on your skin first to check for any sensitivities before applying it more broadly. Enjoy the benefits of your homemade rice water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.